Hi, everybody.
I'm Miss Mevick,
And I'm Miss Ceresia.
and today we're going to be learning about cause and effect.
So there's a link right here to a Google Forms. And on this Google Forms, it's going to ask you what you know about cause and effect. So you can tell us what you know, or you can, if you know a lot about cause and effect, you can tell us and explain why this picture of the snowman is a good way to explain cause and effect.
So now we're going to learn a little bit more about what cause and effect actually mean. Cause is the reason for something happening. Effect, what happened. Cause plus effect explains why things happen. Single words like cause and effect help identify cause and effect as one big word together. Other words like this are so, because, therefore, since, if, then, so that, without, cause, effect, how, and explain. So on this slide, we picked a book called Fancy Nancy, Every Day is Earth Day by Jane O'Connor. And if you guys want, click this link down here. You guys are going to be directed to an audiobook on YouTube. You can switch it into whatever language you want. You can speed it up, pause it, read it over again. And then once you finished reading the book, look for ways in that book that you saw cause and effect. You're going to click on this link right here. It's going to take you to a Padlet where you are going to submit your answers.
Okay, before you guys click here for the audiobook, go to slide 4 so me and Miss Mevick can show you what we found in the book so you guys have examples of what you're looking for, how to word things. Okay, so what Miss Ceresia and what Miss Mevick found. So we wrote what we found from the book. We said Nancy's mom turns up the heat because she is cold. So because is the word that we use to connect the cause and the effect. The next one says Nancy's mom is mad because Nancy shuts off the computer. That's another because one that connects the cause and effect. The next one says Nancy shut the computer off, causing her mom's work to get lost. So this time we use the connecting word causing. The next one is Nancy's sister started crying since she was scared. So the connecting word there is since. And our last one is Nancy's sister was scared without the lights on. So our connecting word was without. So as you can see, we found something such as Nancy being scared, and we found why she was scared. She was scared of the dark and her sister turned the lights off. So we said because her sister turned the lights off, she was scared. So you can really use any word you want to connect it, the cause and effect, making it one sentence.
So the next 2 slides are going to be articles on pollution. If you want, you can read them yourself, but I've also put a link up here for you guys of myself reading the articles to you. If you want to just click this link, again, it will take you right to YouTube and you can listen to it. And here's the second article. It's also included in that link.
Oops. Okay, so now you guys are going to try it on your own. So we just read the book and found causes and effect. Hopefully you guys filled out that Padlet and put what you thought. So now what you're going to do is, I'm going to read this. It says, now that you know what cause and effect are, you can listen or read to the next 2 slides, which was the previous slides, the pollution ones. These slides contain articles about pollution. When you are done reading, you can complete the cause and effect sort. Once you are done, post a picture of your cause and effect sort on Padlet. So the link below right here, right here, you are going to click it and you can take a picture of your cause and effect Padlet and post it there, or cause and effect sort. Here is the cause and effect sort. You guys aren't going to be able to move it on yours, so you're going to click here and it's going to bring you, I already have it uploaded, it's going to bring you here, and you can pull, they're all labeled which one's the cause and which one's effect, but you just have to match, for some reason it's not letting me do it. You just have to match the cause and effect. So one says this pollutes an area by covering plants and filling up water sources. So you would have to find the effect of that and match them. And then you're going to take a picture of your work and post it on Padlet.
So we got 2 slides, 2 activities. Okay, so now I got some homework for you guys. Your job is to investigate what you do at home to help that is environmentally friendly or helps the environment. Do this by interviewing your parents. Post your homework in the class Padlet below. So again, you're just going to click this link. It's going to take you to the Padlet where you have all your other answers on, and post what do you do at home to help the environment.
Yeah, so think of like Fancy Nancy, what she was doing. She was turning off computers. They used candle instead of light bulbs. They used napkins instead of, or paper napkins or cloth napkins instead of the
paper napkins.
Paper napkins. And that's what she did at home. So think about what you guys do at home, and you can use your parents to help you. All right, so we're done learning about cause and effect for now. So you guys did a good job learning about it. If you really enjoyed this lesson, the slides beyond this are just for fun. You can use them to quiz yourself on how much you know about pollution. So if you keep going on the PowerPoint, you're going to see just different worksheets that you guys can read and do. Here's like a little pollution quiz you can take, see how much you know about pollution, what you remember about pollution, closed read that you guys can do. So there's just a bunch of activities that you guys can do if you want. You do not have to do these, and you don't have to post them anywhere or anything. It's just there if you really enjoyed this.